Here I sit and reminisce. This is a time of which you find a new layer to yourself, an inner strength that has been waiting to bloom like a lotus. When you meditate, it brings an inner focus, no longer in fight or flight. It feels just right, being here, calmer, centered and relaxed. Breathing in and out without a doubt, the connection you feel is unreal, the essence of creation, bringing forth the next generation. Let me know about what helps you discover new things, connect with nature and to self for continued growth and well-being. Take care. Please consider donating or contributing to help create even more future content.